Nay, may bago na namang virus.
Oo nga eh, nakakainis.
Sobrang nakakainis, Nay. Gusto ko nang mag face to face eh.
Face to face.
Oo, Nay. Nakakamiss na kasi sa school.
Oo nga pala anak, marunong ka na bang mag-spelling?
Oo naman, Nay. Napakadali lang mag-spelling eh.
Aba, sige nga, spell the word cat.
C-A-T.
Very good anak. Spell the word dog.
D-O-G.
Galing naman anak. Sige nga, eto. Pretty.
P-R-E-T-T-Y.
Galing anak, galing. Pasado ka na si spelling bee.
Kung gusto mo, Nay, samat naman tayo.
Aba, talagang sinusubukan mo ko ha. O sige, 1 house plus 1 house.
2 houses.
2 houses plus 2 houses.
4 houses.
4 houses plus 4 houses.
8 houses.
8 houses plus 8 houses.
16 houses.
16 houses plus 16 houses.
32 houses.
Galing, galing. O eto, 32 plus 42 plus 52 plus 62 plus 72 plus 82 plus 92 houses equals
Subdivision. Di ba madaming bahay doon, Nay? Kaya subdivision.